Comment below the timestamp where you think you noticed the medication kicked in.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanaya, owner of the channel, Kanaya's Numa. So, I know it's been a minute, but it's spooky season. Like, I'm not capping. I'm extremely excited. I just can't be loud and scream right now. But I am extremely excited. You know, I am a horror whore, okay? Favorite movie of all time is Silent Hill 2. Yeah, that's ultimate. But anyway, today we're going to be doing our first, you know, Halloween look, spooky season, makeup, all that good stuff. Today I'm going to be doing a clown, but I kind of want to do it more grungy.
Bitch, I failed ×7.
Let's get into it. So to be completing this look, I'm going to be using white grease makeup from Walmart. Child, it was 99¢. Next, I'm going to be using my little teardrop beauty blender. This is from Amazon, like just a random brand on Amazon. Okay, so it's obvious. Should have to explain the obvious, but girl, we got some pigment to us. So with that being said, so I never used grease makeup before, so that's why I'm using beauty blender to blend it out, just simply because I want to see what it's gonna look like. That's all. nothing fancy, nothing special. I just really want to see what's gonna look. Blend it out instead of just like kicked on, you know? How much forehead is big. I just would love to hear your opinion. But what is your like favorite scary movie, horror movie, and why? Like, I would really love to pick people's brains and see why, like, they are quote unquote obsessed with that, you know, the movie they picked. Because like Silent Hill, is it Silent Hill? Yeah, Silent Hill 2. Silent Hill, the first one, she was okay. Like, you feel me? Like, she was okay. You know, of course she was given, but like not enough to really talk about. But like I said, the reason why I love the Silent Hill 2 is, I don't know, it was the whole thing, like the plots, like the whole story behind it, like it really threw me completely off guard. I was completely surprised to, I don't know these people's names, never cared. Who really watches this movie and care about their names? But whatever her name is, the daughter, I was surprised that they did like a, you know, she's a kid, like she's an adult teenager, and I was surprised that they did part 2 to begin with, girl. I was surprised. But yeah, hopefully I can get if I can't, I can't, but it'd be nice if I can get underneath here too. Okay, so you see with the grease makeup, girl, miss ma'am, like you see it's already, it's very greasy. Like, I was expecting more pigmentation. Like, even me, like I wanted to be like a this was Michael Jackson. Like this is very much Michael Jackson, and I wasn't anticipating that. Like I said, sis, we was going for clown. I look like a clown, but not the clown I intended, okay? I am using Color Studio Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette by Beauty Glazed. This is them. This is good old Betsy. I'm gonna try to figure out if I want to go pink to blue. Hope you see it. It's like a glittery shimmer. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, I appreciate it if you did. You don't have to. I'm not gonna press you. Yeah, but I used it before and it wasn't giving pink at all. It was very much giving, what would I say, like silver. It was giving silver, sis. I mean, she not busting though. Let's try it. This lighter pink. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, fuck. Don't you hate that when your brush dips into the wrong fucking color? Nice. I went to the color next to it. Now I gotta like try to add more pink. Oh my god. I fucked up already. Okay. Now I'm gonna go into my darker pink. Give like a wing liner. I'm gonna give wing liner. A little wing. Okay, a little chicken wing. You know, nothing crazy, just a chicken wing. Then go out here. I hope y'all can see. So go out here and go back like that. Okay. It's a clown. So calm down. Like a lot of y'all be trying to be like, oh my god, girl, it's supposed to be like popping. Like, girl, it's a clown. Like, y'all fucking up Halloween. Okay? Thought of Miss Prime? Like, okay? I feel like people who don't want to dress scary on Halloween and only sexy, I feel like y'all should be mates. Y'all, like, somebody should make y'all stay y'all asses home because y'all fucking up Halloween. I don't give a fuck who it is. It could be Bethany. Bethany, I don't want to see you down the street with a sexy cat costume. Like, girl, what the fuck are you talking about? Unless it's cat woman, I don't want to see you in that bullshit. Okay, I don't want to see you in a Forever 21 bodysuit and some fucking whiskers that you made with mascara. Like, I just don't want to see that, boo. Like, what happened to us actually going to Party City and, you know, spending $100 on fucking costumes and actually doing a show, bruh? Like, I'm like, you bitches want to be clowns all year, then, like, bruh, be a clown for Halloween too. Like, it only makes sense, bruh. I don't know, like, okay. Yeah. Girl, my cat been watching me the whole time. I think he's gonna kill me. Anyway, I'm just gonna start naming the colors because I don't want to keep. Oh, this is pretty. I've been obsessed with blue lately. I tried to give blush, but she's giving lust. And I don't know. I forgot. I have this. I have this white cream on. Oh, fuck, I dropped it. So, shit might not even go according to plan. Milk! No, go away, sis. You can't say hi. Mr. Whiskers get tired of my bullshit, man. I feel like fucking throwing up. Nope. When I was younger on social media, I never understood why people would like trip and be like, girl, I was on this look for fucking whoop-de-whoop hours and nobody appreciated it. And I used to look and be like, I don't care. Girl, now I want somebody to care. Now I'm the motherfucker spending 4 hours on makeup. Not really. It's like 2 hours max. But, you know, 2 hours on makeup. And I better get some motherfucking views too. Clown, a true clown, huh? The hell. And now I just realized this is not how I wanted to do my mistake. Let's try this. Hot dog.
Hey babes, great to see you again. Yeah, I know
I disappeared because my high went down, this lights in my eye, it's giving me migraine because I'm no longer medicated. But anyway, here is the final look. Okay. I want to do some cosplay for you guys now. But anyway, if you like this look, paint's there for sale. If you like this look, give me a big fat thumbs up. Sorry the video was everywhere. New life changes.